So OpenAI has launched ChatGPT 5.6 and it is amazing apparently. So अब हम क्या करने वाले हैं? We are going to test it out. So if you are someone who wants to build things, ship things, and who wants to use the fullest power of AI, then this is the perfect video for you. I have an amazing idea. We'll build Road Rash together. If you are a 90s kid, तो तुमने पक्का अपने गंदे से PC में Road Rash खेला होगा. We'll make it 2026 version. We'll also make it live. We'll do everything using ChatGPT. Hi guys, I'm Nishant Chahar. Welcome back to the channel. I'm an ex-Microsoft software engineer. I have sold my first company. I have raised funds and I'm currently building my second AI company. And yeah, this video is going to be amazing. So Codex is now ChatGPT Codex, as you can see. I would want to use the new logo. Or let's keep the old Codex logo and let's get started. We'll create a new project. So what we are going to do is we are going to give the same prompt to Sol, Luna and Terra. We will build Road Rash. We'll ask it to make it very similar to the actual version. I'll also give a screenshot so that it has idea of how Road Rash actually looked like. Okay? So first we'll write the prompt. I want you to build Road Rash, which is a 1991 game. I've also attached a screenshot on how the visuals look. I want the visuals to look even better right now. These are 1991 graphics. I want to make it 2026 graphics. It should look more realistic. The game should be playable on a browser, and later on we'll also want to publish it online. Cool. Let's find the visuals for Road Rash. We have the visuals from Road Rash now. I'll download this. And I'll give this to Codex. And let's copy this, paste it everywhere. So this is Luna. This is Terra. Now we'll also give the same prompt to ChatGPT Sol. Also, I am running it at extra high. I think extra high is fine, which is similar to others. I want you to build Road Rash, which is a 1991 game by EA. Let's add some more thing. I also attached a screenshot of how the visual looked. I want the visuals to look even better now. These are 1991 graphics. I want you to make it 2026. It should also look more realistic. The game should be playable on a browser, and later on I think we should remove this. And that's it. Let's hope it works amazingly. While this is being built, हम क्या करते हैं? हम और सारी चीज़ें figure out करते हैं, और सारी चीज़ें सीखते हैं. So there is one thing new which I can see is sites. So we can actually publish sites directly using ChatGPT Codex now. And we will do this once we have built our own game. तो मैं करके दिखाएंगे. इसके अलावा the first thing that you see on the screen is scheduled. So what do schedules do? It's an automation that runs every single day or whatever time you set. If you want to create any automation, it is very simple. For example, I've created a project related to automations. If I want to create any automation, you just have to simply explain what you want to do in a particular automation. For example, help me find out jobs in India, in Bangalore, which are for SDE2 roles. I have a previous experience at Microsoft and I have worked on iOS, React and C#. So find me all the roles every day at 9 AM and give me the list of roles where I can apply. The minimum CTC that I'm applying for should be, so minimum CTC that I want is around 50 LPA. If there is any job which is less than that, then don't recommend that. And if you don't know what the CTC is, check LeetCode discussions or check levels.fyi for all the information. So that is it. I just gave Codex whatever I want and now it will create an automation for me. As you can see, I'll just improve it. That is it. It will create an automation for us which will run every day at 9 a.m. As you can see, I'll set a daily 9 a.m. job radar with hard filters, India, Bangalore, SGE2 or equivalent, iOS, React, C Sharp and public evidence compensation of more than 50 lakhs per annum. I'll also run the first live search now, so we have an initial shortlist. As you can see, I can even add my resume and it will find all the job openings which are related to my resume, which are tailor made for me. So ये भी हम कर सकते हैं. It is very 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 easy. आफ्टर दैट जो नेक्स्ट चीज़ आती है ना, वो तुम्हारे प्लगइन्स आते हैं. वाइल द ऑटोमेशन इज बीइंग रन, हम थोड़ा प्लगइन समझ लेते हैं. सो प्लगइन्स एग्जैक्टली क्या है? यू कैन कनेक्ट अ लॉट ऑफ योर एप्स विद कोडेक्स. हाउ यू कैन डू दैट? तुम्हें कोई भी प्लगइन अगर सही लग रहा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव कनेक्टेड नोशन, आई हैव कनेक्टेड Canva, I've connected Figma, I've connected GitHub, Supabase, we can connect Supabase. So let's do that. If you just click on install, it will show you how to connect. We'll continue to Supabase and I just have to authorize it. As you can see, select organization. I have a lot of side projects. I'll click on that and authorize. Open ChatGPT and it's done. दिस इज सो सिंपल. तुम ईजिली बहुत सारे प्लगइन्स कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. प्लगइन से क्या होगा है, डायरेक्टली उस वाले पर्टिकुलर ऐप से इन्फॉर्मेशन ला सकता है, उसको कंट्रोल कर सकता है. इफ यू वांट टू बिल्ड एनीथिंग नाउ, इट कैन fetch information from Supabase and also do a lot of stuff directly in Supabase. So जब भी तुम्हें कोई प्लगइन को यूज़ करके देखना हो तो तुम यहाँ पे बस ऐसे @ लिख सकते हो. मैं यहाँ पे Supabase लिखूँगा तो Supabase पे कुछ भी मेरे को सर्च करना है, I can do directly using this. So plugins are super powerful. You can add different type of plugins like your Gmail, Calendar, Drive, and you can use Codex as your personal assistant. इसके साथ साथ you can even build programmatic videos using Remotion as a plugin. So तुम बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर सकते हो directly inside ChatGPT. These are all the plugins that I have installed, as you can see. Next comes the site. We'll definitely check it out. And then there is a chart. This chart is similar to your ChatGPT chat. You can like ask any questions, works same as ChatGPT, and easily तुम्हें यहाँ पे answers मिल जाएंगे. Oh, this is so cool. This is my mini ChatGPT, mini Codex assistant. I want to hide my pet. I don't want to see my pet, but if you want your pet, you can see it here. It's so cute. You can hide it from here. So after some wait, all the three models have built their version of the game. I haven't seen myself. Let's see all the three games together and judge. So the biggest model is Sol, then comes your Terra, and then comes Luna. Okay, it is from the solar system. Sol is your sun, your Earth is your Terra, and finally जो moon है, that is your Luna. Okay, cool. So let's first start with Luna. तो Luna का देखते हैं सबसे पहले गेम कैसा बना है. So this is what Luna has built. As you can see, if I click here, I can play, but it is not looking like Road Rash, and I'm not able to understand what is happening. But yeah, मतलब it is playable. चल रहा है, मतलब सही है. It's not amazing, so this is fine. मतलब this can be improved, but yeah. Let's now check out Terra. Terra looks a bit polished, more polished than Luna for sure. So if we start the race here, if you can see, something is messed up, like the visuals are fine, but still Road Rash वाली feel नहीं आ रही, right? अब last try करते हैं Sol वाला. Sol वाला looks a lot better than the other two for sure, like being the best model. And overall, if we start the run, there is sound also. Let's go. And there is nitro. And I think I can punch also. Yeah. Arey, but the other driver is able to pass. I punched. तो दूसरा वाला ड्राइवर तो पास कर पा रहा है गाड़ियों से. If I try, I can do, but मेरी हेल्थ कम हो रही है. ठुक गया मैं. देयर आर सम जिटर्स, लाइक जो बिल्डिंग्स हैं वो सेम ही वापस रोटेट होती जा रही हैं. बट एक्चुअली जब नाइट्रो लगा रहा हूँ तो फास्ट हो रहा है. लाइक मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स आर लुकिंग गुड एंड इट टुक इट जस्ट 18 minutes टू एक्चुअली बिल्ड दिस गेम. तो बढ़िया है यार, काफी बढ़िया है. एंड आई वॉन. It is very easy. So let's improve this game for sure. The graphics look fine, but still there are some jitters. Also make it more realistic. The bikes don't look like real bikes, and I want the first person point of view, not the bike riding in front of me. Okay, so make these changes, make the buildings more realistic, make the cars more realistic, and the opponents also more realistic. And then let's rerun the game. अब देखते हैं कि अब क्या होता है. But 18 minutes के अंदर we were able to build a racing game. That is crazy. इसके साथ साथ हमने एक schedule task run किया था. If you remember, India Bangalore SGE2 job monitor. If I go here, as you can see, it has created report written to this memory added. Let's see. तो मैंने अपने कोडेक्स को बोल रखा है जब भी कोई तुम कुछ भी चीज़ लिखो तो ट्राई करो कि एक HTML फाइल बना दो, बिकॉज उसको रीड करना वो दिखने में कंपैरेटिवली बेटर लगती है एंड इट रिमेंबर्स. मेमोरी में उसने ऐड कर दिया है. तो रन डेट, क्वालिफाइंग करंट रोज, स्ट्रॉन्ग रोज, ब्लॉक्ड बाय सैलरी क्लैरिटी, सीनियर रोज ओनली यूजफुल फॉर एविडेंस, कॉइनबेस, स्ट्राइप एंड कॉइनबेस. ओके, रूब्रिक का भी दे दिया, ऑक्टा का दे दिया, पोस्टमैन का दे दिया, प्योर स्टोरेज का दे दिया. व्हाट वी कैन डू इज इसमें हम कंपनीज के डायरेक्टली वेबसाइट भी ऐड कर सकते हैं कि हमें कौन से चाहिए एंड अपना रेज्यूमे भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. तो इट कैन इवन इम्प्रूव आवर रेज्यूमे एंड हेल्प अस लाइक डायरेक्टली अप्लाई टू दीज कंपनीज. तो काफ़ी सही है. लेट्स सी इफ आवर बिल्ड इज रेडी. इट इज़ बिल्डिंग. ये बिल्ड रेडी होगा देन वील पब्लिश दिस, पुश इट टू गिटहब यूजिंग nothing else but codex. Codex means directly we can tag sites and say push this to a site. It will be able to do that. So as you can see, now the final game is ready. I will see it with you guys. Let's open it in a full browser mode. This looks like this. We'll start the run. So it has changed कर दिया है काफ़ी. Now it is first person view. Let's go. Oh! तो सब कुछ थोड़ा बॉक्सी तो है अभी भी, बट एज यू कैन सी फिजिक्स काफ़ी सही काम कर रही है. नाइट्रो जब चला रहा हूँ तो मस्त चल रहा है. लाइक ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर वर्किंग रियली गुड फॉर द अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम इट टुक टू बिल्ड दिस. आई एम रियली इम्प्रेस्ड. एक बार ठोक के देखें गाड़ी को. ठुकने में भी वही प्रॉब्लम है, वो रुक नहीं रही है, उसके ऊपर से चली जा रही है. एंड इट्स डन. सो गेम तो काफ़ी सही बन गया है. अब व्हाट वी विल डू इज इसको एक तो पब्लिक करते हैं, पुश करते हैं इसको गिटहब पे, एंड साथ साथ साइट्स यूज़ करके इसको एक साइट पे भी पब्लिश कर देते हैं. साथ साथ वील ऑल्सो यूज़ सोरा टू बिल्ड द लॉन्च वीडियो फॉर दिस. ठीक है, तो ये भी करके देखेंगे. लेट्स गो. सो आई विल से साइट्स, पुश दिस टू अ वेबसाइट which is accessible to everyone. Let's see. Parallelly what I'll do is एक और चार्ट यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो सबसे बेस्ट तो सोल का ही था, दैट वी ऑल एग्री. तो सोल पे ही ये चीज़ करके देखते हैं. Using Sora, I want you to build a video for the Road Rash game that we created. I want a launch video which is around 10 to 15 seconds, which is a trailer of the game. It should have amazing visuals and it should look like a bike racing game from the future. So we'll just tag Sora in this, and let's use Sol extra high, enter. Let's go. Parallelly, this is also running right now. I'm using sites, building and hosting workflows to package the game for public access, verifying the production artifacts. So now using the plugins, तुम जो भी चीज़ build करोगे उसको actually publish भी कर सकते हो. That is also really amazing thing. एंड इफ़ यू डोंट नो, इसके साथ साथ ChatGPT ने अपना क्रोम एक्सटेंशन भी लॉन्च कर दिया है. पहले यहाँ पे क्रोम का एक्सेस मिल जाता था प्लगइन्स के थ्रू, बट नाउ इट इज़ अ फुल प्रॉपर क्रोम एक्सटेंशन. तुम किसी भी वेबसाइट पे हो तो यू कैन आस्क क्वेश्चंस डायरेक्टली हियर एंड ऑल्सो गिव इट टास्क्स जो कि तुम ऑटोमेट करना चाहते हो. तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई go through the YC summer batch 2026 and find out what is the major theme of the companies that are being funded by Y Combinator. So we'll use Sol, it will take the access of the browser and फिर हमें browser पे access लेके सब चीज़ें check करके बता देगा. तो let's see. So both the things are done. Let's first check out our launch trailer. I'll do it full screen and bro, this is actually good. We can render it in 1080p and we can even add more text using the Remotion plugin. If we just do Remotion, add more motion graphics to this video and then finally render it in full HD. And I think for this we can use a smaller model. And we'll use medium for this because my tokens are getting burned like crazy. I have resetted my limit 3 times in the past few hours. So let's go. And finally ये भी public हो गया है. If I click here, as you can see, this is our Road Rash game which is public on ChatGPT.site on my name. And इसके साथ साथ जो हमने एक रन किया था इस पे इंस्टेंस, उसने क्रिएट कर दिया है हमारे लिए फाइनल एक एनालिसिस रिपोर्ट. एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज द एनालिसिस रिपोर्ट. Y Combinator Summer 2026, what is YC 2026 funding? The major theme is agentic AI, that AI taking operational ownership. YC is funding an end-to-end labor stack, software agents, at the run, blah blah blah. As you can see, 66% of the companies are related to AI agents. 24 companies explicitly use agent or agentic language. And the commercial center is enterprise and physical economy. YC labels 67 of 88 companies as B2B और industry. So इसमें सारी details भी इसने पूरी निकाल दी हैं. Like it created a full report for us. And ये website भी automatically बना दी. So like it's really amazing. If we start to write it now, let's go. This is public. I think you guys can also try it out. For the initial few viewers, बाद में इसमें मैं लॉगिन वॉगिन ऐड कर दूंगा, पता चले सारे क्रेडिट्स ही यूज हो जाए मेरे. बट या, दिस लुक्स गुड. I'll also push it on GitHub, make the repo public if you guys want to make the game even better. क्लोन कर लेना, क्लोन करके अपना version of the game you can create. And yeah, bro, like the physics वाला part is really good. जैसे मैं right left कर रहा हूँ तो actually कैमरा भी उसके साथ move हो रहा है. And अब buildings भी jitters ही नहीं कर रही हैं. It looks कि we are continuously moving forward. And it's done. इसमें थोड़ा स्टार्ट फिनिश वाला अगर वो आ जाए तो और बेटर लगेगा. देयर आर थिंग्स दैट कैन बी डन बट दिस वाज डन इन लाइक 2-3 prompts, so it's really amazing. And we'll wait for the final video. बाकी I hope you guys like the video. I'll add the final video at the end of the video which then you can check it out and इसका link भी तुम्हें description में दे दूंगा. We'll add it to the website too. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope तुमने सीखा होगा कि what all you can do with ChatGPT Codex. And now the new name of Codex is ChatGPT Codex. ठीक है. सो दिस इज बीइंग डन। इसके साथ साथ एक और नई चीज़ हुई है, इफ़ यू डोंट नो, इफ़ यू आर ऑन अ प्लस और अ प्रो सब्सक्रिप्शन, देन जब तुम जाते हो अपने ब्राउज़र पे और चैट जीपीटी वाला ऐप डाउनलोड करते हो, तो देर आर टू ऑप्शंस, देयर इज़ वन चैट एंड द अदर वन इज़ योर वर्क। तो तुम यहाँ पे वर्क में सारे मॉडल्स को यूज़ कर सकते हो, बहुत सारी चीज़ें कर सकते हो। इफ़ यू हैव कनेक्टेड ऑल योर थिंग्स, लाइक स्लैक ऐड कर रखा है तुमने, टूल्स को ऐड कर रखा है वर्क वाले, जैसे इसमें मैंने अभी अपना डेटा एनालिटिक्स गिटहब को ऐड किया हुआ है, इसके साथ साथ नोशन को ऐड किया हुआ है। इफ़ आई ऐड ऑल दीज टूल्स एज वेल, सो बहुत सारी चीज़ें वर्क रिलेटेड इट कैन डू फॉर मी विच वॉज अर्लियर नॉट पॉसिबल। बहुत सारा डेटा एनालिसिस इज गेटिंग मच बेटर। यू कैन create presentation, you can deploy presentation directly using ChatGPT inside the work mode. So बहुत कुछ integrate हो गया है after 5.6 launch, and there are few things that you can do. For example, learn my writing style is one of the things that I asked it to do, and it will create. Also, if you don't remember, we also have a pet. The pet is also very cute. And we can even choose whichever pet we want. So there are multiple options to choose the pet. And you can upload your own pet as well if you want. If you wanted to learn your writing style, तुम easily अपने Gmail को Microsoft को connect कर सकते हो, सारे writing style समझ लेगा, तुम्हारी तरह फिर emails भी लिख पाएगा. And the new update is really great. I hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, do let me know in the comment section. And for more such amazing videos and amazing updates, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.